on the chapter in brushes and sketches. This is a very interesting chapter. In this chapter, we learn many more things. Before starting this chapter, I want to show some 2D shapes. Because this whole chapter is on the 3D shapes. First, we find the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Then I start the chapter. This is a circle. Okay? But why we say the 2D shapes? Because 2D means 2 dimensions. That is, it consists only length and breadth. Okay? Please note this. This is a triangle. Triangle has also length and breadth only. Next, a rectangle sheet. This is a paper sheet and also this is the best example of rectangle. Next, square sheet. These examples are 2D shapes. Okay. Next, now we understand what is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. These are the examples of 2D shapes and these are the examples of 3D shapes. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. Next, difference between 2D and 3D shapes. It's a very important point. It's a very important point. Please read it. The main difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes is that 2D shapes has only length and breadth, but 3D shapes has length, breadth, and height also. Okay, and we find the volume of 3D shapes. Okay. Next, we discuss on the 3 points. All 3D shapes has 3 points with faces, edges, and corners. First point is the faces. What is the face? Before starting this definition, I show to you some example of 3D shapes. Please see that. This is a cube. This is a cube. Okay? Cube. This is an example of cuboid. Small cuboid. Just a bigger cuboid. Okay? Cuboid. Our almari is also a better example of cuboid. Sphere. And next, ball. Sphere and ball. 3D shapes. Our duster. 2D shapes. Cuboid. And cylinder. Our pipes. Cylinder. Next, our cone. You are already saw that. See that birthday cone. Okay, birthday cone. This is the cone. Okay. So we discussed the definition of the 3D shapes की definition देखें हम लोग बेटा faces. A face is a plane or curved surface on a 3D shape. देखिए faces. Faces को समझिए. First I take a dice. This is the example of cube. See that the face. Okay, first face, one face. These are the face. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the faces. Okay. Next, edges. What are the edges? Line segment on the boundary joining one vertex, corner point to another. Okay, corner point to another. Line segment. This is the line segment. Line segment. Line segment. Line segment. Okay. Next, corners. Corners means in a simple word, nuclear structure. Point where the edges of a solid figure meets. Corner. Corner. Nuclear structure. Corner. In a simple word, look. Corner. Okay, corner. Next, we understand here very well the definition of 3D shapes. Okay, first we given another cube. Picture of cube. Okay, here we given the uh, concept of faces, vertices, and edges. Here we just count the number of faces, corners, and edges. How many faces in the cube? Please see that faces, number of faces count here. First face, sorry, first face, second, okay, second, okay, sorry, second is here. Second, third, and fourth, five, and last one is six. So six faces. Okay, faces is six faces in the cube, and so we write here the faces is six faces. Okay, faces is six faces. Next, we find the edges. How many edges? So we count the line segment. Count the line segment. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, पीछे की दस जाएंगे 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अभी रह गए हैं ऊपर के दो, नीचे के दो. 9, 10, 11, 12. ओके, इसके कितने हो गए? एजेस 12. एजेस रखेंगे 12 एजेस. And next, corners. How many corners? Corners count कर लो बेटा. Corners. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. पीछे की तरफ 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. 8 corners. Okay. 8 corners. So we find here the faces, corners, and edges of the cube. Clear? Next देखिए properties of cube में देखिए faces 6, corners 8, and edges 12. Yes, we are correct. Next picture is the cuboid. Same all things, vertices, edges, and faces. Same as like a cube. Okay, सारी चीजें लोग क्यूब के जैसे ही होती है. Okay, same as a cube. Faces 6, edges 12, and corners 8. Okay, so no difference here. But main difference is that cube and cuboid. Cube has all faces equal, but our cuboid, please note this, cuboid, our cuboid has opposite sides equal, just this side and just this side. This side, opposite sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. It means that cube has all sides are equal, but our cuboid has opposite sides are equal. Okay, and all properties of cuboid and cube are same. Corners same, faces same, and edges same. Okay, so now no doubt here. Next, cylinder. It's a very important point. In this cylinder, please see that this is a picture of cylinder. 3D shapes of cylinder. Sorry, cylinder. If you notice that in the picture, cylinder top view, here the view, here the three faces. First face is circular face. Two faces यहाँ पर देखिए. First face यहाँ पे circular face. Second face in the bottom, and third one is the curved faces. Third one is the curved faces. Okay, third one is the curved faces. So see that this is a circular plane surface. Circular plane surface. Here the two circular plane surface and curved surface. Please see that curved surface. Please see that curved surface. So we observe here the faces number of faces is 3. Number of faces is 3. 2 circular faces and 1 curved face. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 total faces. Okay. Next we count number of corners. Okay. Please see that number of corners. No number of corners. Here nothing corners. Okay, so corners is 0, no corner. Here circular. Here is circular. This is a curve. No corner. Okay, then corner is 0 and corner is 0. And next edges. What is the definition of edge? Definition of edge says that where the two faces are meet. So please see that circular face and curved face makes one edge. Here the one edge. Next bottom part. One face यहाँ पे हो रहा है and next curved face. Both makes one edge. Then 1 and 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. How many edges? 2 edges. Edges is equal to 2. Edges is equal to 2. Okay? So we find the faces, corners and edges of the cylinder. Clear? Next. Next, cone. Now we understand the concept of cone. This is the cone. Sorry, this is the cone. Okay, cone. If you notice that in this cone, this is a curve. This is the curved surface. This is the curved surface. Okay, sorry, curved surface. This is the curved surface, and this is circular. नीचे वाला circular. This is the circular plane surface. Okay. So here we count number of faces, corners, and edges. Faces is how many faces? One is curved surface, and second is plane. Sorry, circular. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 faces, and now we find the corners. How many corners? You see that? Corner, one corner. That is nuclear hissa in Hindi. Okay? Corner, one corner. Okay? देखिए यहाँ पे one corner. This is a corner. और what axis? ठीक है? Next, edges. I already say that the definition of edges is that where the two faces are meet. So please note that curved face and circular face makes one edge. Okay, then edge is equal to E4 is equal to 1. So we find here all things: faces, corners, and edges of this cone. Okay. Next is that sphere. This is the main point part of our 3D shape. Sphere. This is the sphere. See that? Sphere. In a simple word, we also say the ball. This is the ball. Tennis ball. Ball. This is a ball. Okay. Ball. Sphere. Okay. So we find the faces, corners, and edges of this sphere. Of this ball. Or sphere. Okay. So, if you notice that in this wall, it has only one face. Please see that. One face, only one face. I rotated it. One face. It has only one face. Okay. So I write here, faces is 1. Faces is 1. Next. Corners, here is nothing corner. Sorry, here is nothing corner. Okay, here is nothing corner. Then corners means here is nothing corners. Okay, nothing corners. Then corner is 0. Okay, then corner is our 0. And what is the definition of edges? The definition of edges says that where the two faces are meet. But if you notice that, okay, sorry. If you notice that if you notice that here is only one phase, it means that our age is 0 because we have no two phases. We have only one phase. It is very clear. So our age is become 0. So we find here phase is 1, corner is 0, and age is 0. Okay. So I hope all of you understand very well the concept of 3D shapes, and we understand here the properties of 3D shapes. And we also understand the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. I hope all of you like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.